उन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मायं ददति स्वपादान्तिकं। नमो ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामीति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात देश तारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधारा श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All of you with me recite once. Hare Krishna कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण
हरे
हरे
हरे,
हरे
हरे
राम राम
राम
हरे
राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे।
Yeah,
Hare
very good.
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Yes,
हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण
yes, very good. Okay, so today's chapter title is respecting our mothers. Okay. Um, yes. Saurish Raj, can you read what is written?
Yes. Our mother feeds us milk for few months, but mother cow feeds us for the whole life. Mother gives service to child without taking anything in return. We should hold all mothers in position of respect.
Yeah, okay. So we normally call, what do we call the cow as? Anybody who knows the answer? Or you can
Gomata.
Gomata. Very good. Yeah, very good. Okay, so all of you know that. Okay, so we call the cow as the Gomata or the mother because she feeds us our whole life, right? All of us every day when we get up in the morning, we brush our teeth and have a glass of milk, right? Which makes us more strong. Okay, so our mother feeds us the milk for a few months, but mother cow feeds us for the whole life. Mother gives service to the child without taking anything in return, and we should hold all mothers in a position of respect. That even for the cow, okay, though it is an animal, you don't treat it as an animal because it is feeding you the milk, okay, which is very important for this body, for the well nourishment of the body. Yeah. Can you reflect on this question? How many mothers do we have? Is the
One
first
mother.
question.
Mother.
And how is
One
the
mother.
We have
Yeah.
two mothers, Mataji.
Yeah, cow is the mother of all living beings. Is it true? How can we reciprocate with the service of mother cow? Okay, so you should reflect on the thinking on these two questions. Okay, just now I told that the cow feeds you the milk. Okay, throughout your life. Okay, the mothers feed the baby. Okay, up to an age of say 6 months or maybe maximum 2 years, right? But the mother cow throughout year, even when we are say 60-year-old also, we drink the cow's milk. All of you agree with me or no? Okay, say it
Yes,
could be
Mataji.
it
We
could be
agree
you.
with
Say
Yes, mother.
if we consider our family, okay, our children also drink milk, the elders also drink milk, adults also drink milk, youth also drink milk, even the father parents also drink milk, even our grandparents drink milk, right? Everybody. Even if you are not directly consuming milk, you are taking milk in different forms. It could be in the form of paneer, or it could be in the form of the rasgullas, or it could be in the form of cheese. Okay, different forms, at least we consume it, right? In different places. Okay, so all of us, so if we consider the Gomata also, okay, we already call it as Gomata. Okay, why? Because you respect, or you already you have accepted the cow, or at least in India we have accepted cow to be the mother, right? Cow to be as the mother, or the Mata. Okay. Yes.
Mataji,
Yeah.
Mataji, Aratrika has a doubt, Mataji. I'm
Yes,
unmuting.
sir. Okay.
Aratrika?
Mataji, you
Yes, ma'am.
said this was combined class, but in my textbook I don't have this lesson.
You are in which class, Ratrika? Fifth class, huh?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. This is actually the standard 6 lesson. Okay, so if who is having standard 6 class book?
Mataji, I have.
Bhargav is having. Okay.
Raise your hands. Oh, sixth class.
It is actually standard 6 class. Today standard 7th or 5th also was supposed to be held, but I think the teacher got busy, or she had some emergency work. So today, so we have the classes combined for 6 and 5. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Don't worry, you won't find it difficult to understand. Okay. You're able to follow what is told, Aratrika?
Mataji, some I can't understand, but only little I can understand.
Okay, okay. Don't worry. If when you don't understand something, you can ask, okay? Or at least you can put your question in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I am first student. I am new today. So how can I learn the before chapters?
The other chapters, don't worry. You have you can play. I hope if, the newcomers have also placed your order for the textbooks, right? So it will be done if for the new batches, it will for the new entries. Okay, it will be the other previous chapters will also be done. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, I can't do the attendance.
You are not able to do the attendance. Why?
Ma'am, when I am doing all the things, then when I submit, it says that you have to do the attendance another time, and I do it every time, and every time it don't accept.
Okay, have you registered for the Sunday school?
Yes, ma'am.
Which class have you registered?
Ma'am, I have registered for standard 5.
Standard 5,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
I
let's
have a problem in the attendance link. Once check it out. I think so. You have to sign in. Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
मैम मेरी तो लग गई पर
Okay, so if somebody is facing the issue, maybe there is some problem with your registration to the school, or we should check out what is the problem. Okay. Yes. Hasini, can you read?
Okay, Mataji. In this world, there is no comparison to a mother's love for a mother's loves her children without any expectations of return. When you look at your mother, you will look at the purest love available in the world. Namely, this is love, a first sight. From the moment you open your eyes, of all the gifts that life has to offer, a loving mother is the best one. A mother's love is a treasure lying deep in the core of our hearts. Always there is comforters. Someone has rightly said a mother's love begins before the child is born and lasts throughout time and difficult and difference and many wonders and days of joy and days of sorrow. This love is found universally and transcendently all barriers of time, space, and species. from a tiny ant to
Gigantic.
gigantic elephant. All mothers love their babies. There are dis-
Documented.
documented case where animals' mother have died of heartbreak after losing their babies.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So in this world, there is no comparison to a mother's love. For a mother's love her child without any expectation of return. When you look at your mother, you are looking at the purest love available in the worldly realm. This is love at first sight. From the moment you open your eyes of all the gifts that life has to offer, a loving mother is the best one. A mother's love is a treasure lying deep in the core of our hearts, always there to comfort us. Someone has rightly said a mother's love begins before the child is born and lasts through time and difficulties and differences and many wounds and days of joy and days of sorrow. This love is found universally and transcendental at all barriers of time, space, and species. From a tiny ant to a gigantic elephant, all mothers love their babies. There are documentary cases where animal mothers have died of heartbreak after losing their babies. Okay, so if you have seen, okay, so the mother, okay, the mother's love or any mother for that matter. Okay, so her love for the baby is infinite. Okay, they say, right, the mother, I mean, uh, nobody's else love is as pure as the mother's love. Okay, whatever difficulty she faces, all she endures for the sake of the baby. Okay, for the sake of the child she has given birth. Okay, and even if the child treats her indifferently or ill treats her, also her love for the child will never become less. Okay, so even it applies to all form of species or in all categories. It could be the bird or animal. Okay, the love of your mother is like that. Okay, so it begins when the child, okay, or the first person the child sees is the mother, right? And the love lasts, okay, till her last breath. Okay, or till her last breath of the mother. She will always protect her children. She will always be there for any need of the child. Okay, and she's ready to take up any kind of difficulty, okay, to protect her child. Okay, so the mother's love begins before the child is born and lasts through. Why? Because the before the child is born means from the child stays in the mother's womb for different species. Say for a human, it is how many months does the baby stay in the womb of the mother?
9 months.
9 months. Say for
9 months.
yeah, 9 months. If it is other species, like say for example, the dog or a cat, you know how many months it stays? Anybody knows the answer?
Mataji, 2 months.
2 months. Is
Yeah,
it 2 months?
because I have one.
You have one. Okay. And say if it is a bird,
Mataji, I'm sorry to disturb. Can I disable the chat, Mataji? It is disturbing the screen.
okay.
Bird like 6 months.
Yeah. For a bird,
Bird likes the eggs, ma'am.
It is not a mammal. Mataji?
yeah.
Mataji, I think 2 weeks.
For an elephant, do you know?
I think 7 months.
Huh?
I
Not 7 months, 22 months, okay? For an elephant. And for a cow,
All life. 10 months.
Anybody has a cow at home or at least nearby your area?
Me, Mataji. I do.
You do.
Nearby my house.
Ah, okay. So almost even for a cow, it will be around 280 days or 290 days, like that, roughly around 290 days. Okay, so like that. So a mother's love. So when it begins, that is as soon as as soon as the mother knows that she has a baby, okay, her love starts. Okay, she starts nurturing. She starts feeding the baby. At least for the sake of the baby, she starts eating well and all that, right? So because for the love that she has for the child which is growing inside her. Okay, the child is born and lasts through times and difficulties, differences, even whatever difference the mother has with the child or the child has with the mother's love will never come down. And many wounds and days of joy and days of sorrow. Okay, and even we can come across many series of events or the documented events where the mother, in case of the animals. Okay, so we have seen many say if the baby elephant has fallen inside or is lost, the whole the elephant, no, they form groups and they go in search of the baby elephant. Or even in these case of these gorillas, okay, they become very protective. You also see that the monkeys, okay, the baby are always clinging to the mother. Okay, if you see, have you seen how the baby the monkeys babies, they always cling to the mother, okay, till they can independently.
Yes, Mataji.
Have you seen the kangaroos, how they carry their babies? Have you seen the kangaroos?
It's Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Mataji, they have pouches.
Yeah, how do you which country's national animal is it?
Australia.
Australia. Yeah. Okay. So
Australia.
yes, if you have seen, they have a separate, they have a pouch to carry their babies. Okay, even the kangaroos, they never let their baby. And if you have seen how the chickens, okay, or the hen feed the chickens, okay, have you seen how the birds feed their babies?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
How they
ma'am.
protectively take care, okay, till the baby till they learn to fly, okay, or they try till they learn to become independent. Okay, these animals, all right, unlike the humans, okay, unlike humans are protective about their kids till they are alive, okay, but these animals and birds, no, they see to that the child becomes independent, okay, where they are capable of looking after themselves. Okay, so if you see, till they are capable of looking after themselves, till they are able to hunt for themselves, say in case of the tigers and lions, no, till the baby learns to hunt, okay, they protect the baby, and later they leave them to go survive independently. Okay, so it is like that. And we can see that, okay, till that time they are protective about their child. Okay, and before that, if they lose or somebody cause harm to them, okay, they become very heartbroken, okay, like the humans only. Okay, so the grief-stricken mother spent days carrying around the tiny new baby, born baby. Okay, so this is a real incident of a gorilla where the baby died. Okay, and the grief-stricken mother gorilla was carrying the child. Okay, and she was very protective. I mean, she was not allowing anybody to touch the dead baby. Okay, so mother spent days carrying around the tiny new born baby. Okay, so let's see the one story. Forbearance of a mother. Yes. Who will read now? Bhargav, read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, next, can you read? I already called out Bhargav's name.
And
Can I read?
But everybody will get chance. Don't worry.
Mataji, can
Me,
I
auntie,
read?
I will mute. Mataji,
Wait, I will
will mute.
unmute. I will mute everybody and
I will unmute Mataji, everybody.
yeah, yes. Whom did I make go? Harshika, no? Harshika, you unmute.
Yes,
When I
Mataji.
call out the name, you can unmute, okay? Who all wants to read can raise your hand, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, and if you're finished, lower your hand raise because we'll give chance to everybody, okay? Everybody wants
Yeah.
to participate, so we'll give chance to everybody. Yes, yes, Bhargav.
Bhargav, unmute.
Yes, mother. Story time. Forbiddings of a mother. A little boy came up to his mother in the kitchen one evening while she was making supper, and he handed her a piece of paper that he had been writing on. After his mom dried her hands on an apron, she read it, and this is what it said. For cutting the grass, rupees 50. For cleaning my room this week, rupees 100. For going to the store for you, rupees 10. Babysitting my kid brother while you went shopping, rupees 30. Taking out the garbage, rupees 10. For getting a good report card, rupees 200. For cleaning up racking the yard, rupees 150. Total owed rupees 550.
Yeah,
While
okay.
his mother looked at him, standing there, and the boy could see the memories flashing through her mind. She picked up a pen, turned over the paper he had written on, and this is what she wrote. This is what she wrote. For the 9 months I carried you while you were growing inside me, no charge. For all that the night that I sat up with you, doctored and prayed for you, no charge. For all the trying times and all the tears that you have caused through the years, no charge. For all the nights filled with dread and for the worries I knew were ahead, no charge. For the toys, food, clothes, and even wiping your nose, no charge. When you add it up, the cost of my love is no charge.
Yeah.
When the boy finished reading what his mother had written, there were big tears in his eyes, and he looked straight up at his mother and said, Mom, I still do love you. And then he took the pen and in great big letters he wrote, paid in full. Moral of the story, no language could express the power of forbearance
Forbearance.
of a mother's love for her child. Always remember, A, help your parents. B, listen to your parents. C, smile at your parents. D, spend time with them. E, buy your parents gifts. F, be good to your parents, friends, and relatives. G, be thankful to your parents for whatever they do for you. H, always ask your parents if you can help them with anything. I study hard and lead a good life so that your parents will become happy. J, always pray to God who has given you your parents. Even the most selfless kind of love in this material world, that of a mother for her children, disappears in time as the children grow up and the mother grows old and dies. But spiritual love is eternally fresh and blissful. It is the act of giving ecstatic pleasure
Pleasure.
to the. Yes, Mataji?
Pleasure. Pleasure
Pleasure.
to. Yeah.
But spiritual pleasure to the supremely worthy object of love, the Supreme Lord. When we love God as our friend, love our master, we are never cheated.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a small story where the mother, okay, so she'll have 2 kids, and she'll ask the elder one, okay, the elder one to help her in some course of her everyday act, and the boy has fixed some rates for everything, okay. So the a little boy came up to his mother in the kitchen one evening while she was making supper, and he handed her a piece of paper that he had been writing on. After his mother dried her hand on an apron, she read it, and this is what it said. Okay, so he has fixed up some rates for all the help that he did for his mother. Say he helped her in cutting the grass. Okay, he's applying a charge of ₹50, and then for cleaning his own room, okay, the room that he uses every day, he's cleaning his room, and then he applies a charge of ₹100 for cleaning his own room. And then for going to the store for you, okay, then he says that probably the mother wants to prepare something for the kids. Okay, so it's all normally the parents, okay, whatever they do it for the sake of their child. Say for example, today is a Sunday, all of you are at home, and if you look at your parent, they were, or your mother, okay, she would want all, she might be planning something to prepare a dish which you like the most, okay, or at least in turns she may offer to prepare something which you like, or your favorite things she might be preparing. Okay, so so she might read and require, or she might have told him to go get something from the stores, and so he's applied a charge of ₹10, and then that for looking after his own brother, okay, the kid brother, while you went shopping, he says he's applying a charge of ₹30, and taking out the garbage, okay, ₹10, and for getting a good report card, okay, report card, that is his own studies. Okay, so if he studies well, he will have a good career in life. Okay, it is a it is a price, I mean, it is a good thing that is happening to him. So for getting a good report card also, he charges ₹200. And then he also says for cleaning up and racking the yard, he is applying a charge of ₹150. Okay, so totally he is charging his mother $550 for that week. Okay, for all the activity that he has. Sorry, where did it go? Yeah. So well, his mother looked at him standing there. Okay, so the mother patiently looks at all that he has written, and then she will reply back to him. Okay, she's his mother. Okay, she has to be more intelligent than him, right? And because she's already given birth to her, the child. Okay, so all that, she's given her blood, flush, everything, and then only he's come out. Okay, and so how can she not be more intelligent than him? So she patiently replies back the child. Okay, and the boy could see the memories flashing through her mind. She picked up the pen and turned over the paper he had written on, and this is what she wrote. Okay, and then she'll start writing. For 9 months, I carried you while you were growing inside me. She says, I have applied no charge for that. Okay, she has looked after him for all protectively. Okay, so that he comes out healthily, right? See, if you don't take care of the baby during that 9 months period, no, anything can happen. Okay, sometimes there are sequences where for carelessly, if the parent or the mother is careless enough, okay, it can lead to a consequence of death of the baby also during that time. Okay, so then she's saying, so now he has come out as a safe child and is also now grown up so much. Okay, and so she says, for 9 months I carried you while you were growing inside me. She has not applied no charge for that. For all the nights that I have sat up with you, doctored and prayed for you, right? When we are sick, okay, who will take care of us? Okay, our parents take care of us. Okay, more so the mother will always be, okay, because they're emotionally and physically also, because they will be connected. Okay, they'll always be very protective about their child, and slightest thing happens also, they keep worrying. Okay, so for all the night that I have sat up with you, doctored you and prayed for you also. Okay, she says that I have nursed you and I have looked after. I have applied no charge for that. For all the trying times and all the tears that you have caused through the years, I have given no charge. Okay, sometimes the child, okay, they create a lot of fuss. They unnecessary, I mean, because of their own interest or anything. Okay, they might be troubling the parents. Okay, and so for all the trying times and all the tears that you have caused through the years, I've applied no charge. For all the nights filled with dread, and for the worries new were ahead, no charges. Okay, and for the toys, food, clothes, and even Wiping your nose, no charge. Okay, they not only give birth, but till you are capable of walking for yourself or eating for yourself, they always are behind you, right? See, during the initial days of the child being growing, right? We have to be very careful, because the child can, we have also seen by negligence of the parents, or even if just a little out of focus, you are out of the focus of looking at the child, sometimes the child has lost, the parents have lost their child, or the babies have eaten up something. Okay, dangerous things has happened. Okay, so for the toys, food, clothes, and even wiping your nose, I have applied no charge. When you add it up, the cost of my love is no charge, she says. When the boy finished reading what his mother, okay, she writes all this and then she gives it to the child, and the child reads, and then he replies back, and there was a big tear in his eyes, and he looked straight up to his mother and said, "Mom, I sure do love you." And then he took the pen, and in great big letters he wrote, "Paid in full." Okay, so now he is convinced, okay, that or at least she makes him realize, okay, she makes him realize the worth, or so certain things are more than the value that you apply for it. Okay, certain, or they are priceless. Okay, that's what she helps him realizing. Okay, but parents always do that. Okay, without our knowledge, they help us realize, or they make us realize things. Okay, bigger things. Okay, so the moral of the story is, no language could express the power of forbiddance of a mother's love for her child. Always you should remember that you help. Okay, see, we are when we are at home, okay, we should always give an helping hand to our parents. It's actually not an help, because see, even it is our responsibility also, because even we are I mean, they're doing all that for for our future, or for the well-being of the family. Okay, when you say family, you are also a part of the family, so there's nothing wrong in helping your parents. The least that you can do. Okay, the least that you can do, or at least whatever you can do at your age. Okay, for at our age, whatever little we can do will always be valued, and it will be well appreciated, or you indirectly make them feel very happy. Okay, and you listen. So when the parents, some children do not listen when the parents say, or they take it in the offensive manner, or they say, "What mama or what papa, always you are saying only this." Okay, but we will not know the hidden, because because they are experienced. Okay, they would have seen the world before us. Okay, so they keep advising on certain things. So we should never take it too lightly. We should always uh, take that things, whatever they tell, in the right spirit. Okay, because of their experiences, they have seen the world more than you, they will advise us. So we have to always take it in the right spirit. And we've also seen certain instances where once we become busy in our life, the children will always see, say for example, initially, till you get to know others, or you have friends and things like that, you're always surrounding the parents. But later, when you make your own friends, you start going outside alone, or you become a little independent. Okay, so we start neglecting. Okay, sometimes, not everybody, but at least some of them, we have seen there are instances where they do not talk to the parents, or they do not spend time, or they're bored. Okay, to spend time with the parents and all that. Okay, but we should never do that. Okay, we should always make time for our friends, relatives, parents at home, the family at home, and all that. Okay, so you should smile at your parents, spend time with them, buy gifts. Okay, sometimes we see, I mean, you are at home, what sometimes it so happens that when parents are at home, okay, we come to a casual attitude that you are at home, no, why do you require all this? Okay, or you are at home. See, it is not only to parents, anybody for that matter. Okay, so we try to we don't think from their point of view. Okay, so we should develop this empathy. Okay, we call this as the empathy. We should have we should empathize with them, and then you should spend some quality time with them. And you should also because when you, it's not the gift, okay, the money, or when we say gift, it is not some, you spend some huge money. Okay, even the smallest thing that you buy, okay, it could be a simple comb, okay, or it could be a simple pen. Okay, so for the new year, you buy them some small gift, okay, you give them, they will be very happy. Why? Because the thought, because they would have reached the age where they will not give importance to the money factor. Okay, they know that at least that thought, okay, that my son or my daughter has that she thinks about me, and she has cared about me to, or taken that effort to buy things for me. Okay, so that thought is very important. So you have to get them something. Okay, so to just to make them feel nice, that they're cared enough, they're also given importance in your life, life. That is the message that you will be giving them. Okay, and then yeah, sorry. Yeah, be good to your parents, friends, relatives, and be thankful to your parents for whatever they have done. Okay, with whatever facility or how much ever they can do, maximum they can do, they would have strived enough to keep you in a good environment. So always ask your parents if you can help them with anything. Study hard and lead a good life so that your parents become happy. Always pray to God who has given you your parents. Okay, because the God, it's a standard saying there, right? God cannot be everywhere. Okay, and that's why he gives us the parents. Okay, so who are as protective, or who in this world, okay, protecting us throughout. Okay, when if he's a sinner, okay, the mother doesn't look at the sin. Okay, she always only looks at the child. Okay, so even if he is a sinner, the mother would want to protect him. Okay, that's why they say parents are God in this material world. Okay, so even the most
God-given
selfish,
gifts.
yeah, God-given gift. So even the most selfless kind of love in this material world, that of a mother for her child, disappears in time as the child grows up and the mother grows old and dies. But spiritual love is eternal, fresh and blissful. It is the act of giving ecstatic pleasure to the supremely worthy object of love, the Supreme Lord. When we love God as our friend, lover, or master, we are never cheated. Okay. Yeah, that's what. See, this in this material world, we have this parents, and we also have seen in the Bhagavad Gita, right? The body, it is the soul that is important, right? And the soul has to always reach the Lord. Okay, and again, this the relation with the parents are also time limited, but the relation with the Lord is eternal. Okay, so that is what I mean to say.
Mataji, Bhargava has a doubt, Mataji. I'm unmuting him.
Yes.
No, Mataji, I don't have a doubt. I want to say something. That is, before making friends, we should have friends like our parents.
Yeah, you should you should first be. That's what I tell my other children
Because
also.
parents are our
Yes.
first teachers.
Yeah, your parents are your first family is the first place where you learn lot of things. Okay, so you have to express yourself. Okay, whether a good happens to you or bad happens to whatever it is. Okay, why we lose this communication is because, or why you start distancing is because you don't exchange any of your thoughts with your parents. It could be out of fear, or it could be out of some differences, anything. Okay, but you should always make it a point. Okay, when you start developing that communication with your family members, it could be a mother, or it could be whomever you feel comfortable, it could be your father or your parents or both of them. Okay, feel free to discuss things with them. Okay, and they are the best persons who will always, okay, they are our well wishers. Okay, they can never wish us bad. Okay, in this world, okay, because that is the reason you have to express yourself and make have this friendly relation with your members at home or with your near ones or near and dear ones, okay. And so our mothers are the mother cow, the mother earth, and one's natural mother, okay. So we thought the first question, so did you get an answer? Okay, so for the question, how many mothers do you have? So we should look
Mothers,
after.
Mataji.
Yeah, so we should look after, okay, even the mother earth, okay. So whatever we do, the mother earth is always bearing us, all right. She bears all our torture, right. And but we do not, so we should also be very sensitive enough, okay, to give that much or pay attention to the environment around us, okay. Yes, sir.
Who wants to read?
Yeah, mother cow. Next, who will read?
Antika,
Yeah, read.
then Srijan.
Yes, Mataji. Cow protection and care was once the culture of India. About 5,000 years ago, King Parikshit was ruling the entire planet Earth. When he was touring the earth, he witnessed a black man dressed as a king trying to kill a cow. The saintly king of the world had never even imagined that anyone would think of harming even imagine that anyone would think of harming mother cow. A king's duty is to protect all citizens, which included humans, animals, plants, in fact, all living creatures. So King Parikshit at once caught hold of him to punish him. When the British arrived in India, there was no slaughterhouses.
Slaughterhouse.
Ti- In fact, Tipu Sultan and Mughal rulers, including Babur, Akbar, and Aurangzeb,
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb banned cow
Banned.
slaughter in their kingdom. Anyone who slaughtered a cow was punished by cutting off their heads.
Hands. It's not
Hands.
Hands.
Srijan. Srijan, would you like to eat? Read?
Okay, wait, let me finish off this. Yeah. So on mother cow, so cow protection and care was once the culture of India. About 5,000 years, King Parikshit was ruling the entire planet. While he was touring the earth, he found, okay, when he's touring, he finds a man who he witnessed a black man dressed as a king trying to kill a cow. The saintly king of the world had never seen or never imagined that anyone would think of harming mother cow. A king's duty is to protect all citizens, which includes human, animals, plants, in fact, all living creature. So King Parikshit at once caught hold of him to punish, okay? And when the British arrived in India, there was no slaughterhouses. In fact, Tipu Sultan and Mughal rulers, including Babur, Akbar, and Aurangzeb, banned cow slaughter in their kingdoms. Anyone who slaughtered a cow was punished by cutting off their hands, okay? Yeah. Animal slaughter, actually earlier killing of animals was a punishable act, okay. They even the Mughal rulers, okay, because the Muslim rulers, okay, even they worshipped, okay, even they paid that much respect to the the cow,
Mother cow.
okay? Yeah, to the mother cow. Okay, they did not allow the slaughtering of the cow. Okay, or the cow meat. Okay, they do not allow any such acts during their kingdom. Also, I mean during their rulership. Okay. Yes.
That's region. You can read.
Even today in Nepal, the penalty for killing a cow is imprisonment.
Is life
After all,
imprisonment.
Imprisonment.
Life imprisonment.
the imprisonment.
Yeah.
After all, the cow simply serves human society. Even the urine and stool of the cow is used to service of human being.
Yeah.
Sacred cows. Sanskrit is the oldest language and is considered the mother language, the mother of all languages. In ancient India, when the cows were worshipped, the language in use was Sanskrit. By liberal
use of
cow milk products, people's brain were so sharp that until 5,000 years ago, there was no feed for written records. All the knowledge existed in oral traditions, and a student would
memorize.
Region.
He lost connection, huh?
Yeah, Mataji, I think so. He lost.
Yeah, give it to somebody else then.
Yeah. He's back, Mataji.
Okay.
Region, are you able to hear us?
Yes.
Very. Continue.
Now.
Memorize.
Here, this line. All knowledge exists in oral traditions.
Understand everything just by once from the teacher.
Yeah. Okay, so many places. Okay, wait 1 minute, Srijan. Many places, no, killing of animals, as I said, it is a punishable act. Okay, so even if you have heard, the superstar Salman Khan, right? Because of the deer case, since he planned to kill for the sake of enjoyment, they had planned. He was punished, or he was also jailed, right, for some time. Because he planned to kill the deer, right? So it is in many places, killing of animals is considered to be a punishable act. Okay, and because they are also, we see what in Bhagavad Gita, we see that the Lord resides in everyone. Okay, and so we have to see the Lord in the animals and everything around us. Okay, and so after all, the cow simply serves the human society, even the urine. Okay, so in our Hindu culture, all since the cow is treated as Kamadenu, right? We also call him as the Kamadenu, because the urine or the stool is also used. Okay, so if you see in the villages, okay, in cities you don't see much, but at least if you see in villages, they use this urine and cow dung also to sanitize. Okay, I mean they to keep the environment around them, okay, clean. Okay, they use it. Okay, and the products of, or even the stools are dried, and they are also used for the fire. Okay, to for the, I mean for their for the bio products, or the biogas they also call, right? And they in olden days they used to also dry, and they used to use it for instead of wood, they can also use that for the boilers, and they for cooking and all that things they used to for the fireworks they used to use that. Okay, and
Mataji, over here there is a temple, Mataji. After that, before the temple, there is a house, Mataji.
yeah.
So there are many buffaloes, cows, all that, Mataji. And also they punch the cow dung onto the wall, Mataji.
Yeah, that is for so that the entire place, no, they cleanse the, and they it is considered to be cleansing of the house. And see, now next week we have the Shankranti festival, or the Pongal festival we call, or we call it as a Shankranti, or we also call it as the New Year, New Harvest Festival, right? Even for those harvest festival, they cleanse the entire place around, and they also sometimes they cook the prasadam outside the house, okay? And the new with a new what do you say that they build the this one what the stove, okay? And they also cleanse that stove using the dung, okay? And then they newly, because it is because it is the first year, okay, or the first festival, or in January we are doing the first festival, or the harvest festival, okay? They use this, okay, or is considered to be sacred, okay? Yes. Yeah, Sanskrit is considered to be the oldest language, as considered the mother of all languages. All other languages are the derivatives which come from the Sanskrit language, right? So in ancient India, when the cows were worshipped, the language in use was Sanskrit. By liberal use of cow's milk product, people's brain were so sharp that until 5,000 years ago, there was no need of written records. Okay, so we can see that all products of the cow, it could be the milk, see, they say the calcium, okay? So anybody having calcium deficiency, they say they recommend the usage of milk, right? They say you have to drink milk every day, okay? And if you see in North India and all, right, they drink this lassi, okay? Or Punjabis, if you see, okay, they drink with very big glasses of lassi they drink, okay? Which is again a product of your milk, okay, the buttermilk, okay? So buttermilk, and also is a very good probiotic, okay, for your
Like
health.
milkshakes also,
Curd.
Mataji.
Yeah, the curd also every day it is always recommended that at least 1 cup of curd, okay, preferably in the afternoon, if you eat, or preferably in the morning or afternoon, you have to consume it, okay? At least 1 cup of curd, which will help you to destroy the bad bacteria inside your body, okay? So it is always preferred to eat 1 cup of curd, or either in
Eggs
the
are
form
made
of
of
curd or in the form of buttermilk, okay, which will always help you to cleanse your I mean, it will also probiotic means, see, when your digestive system will can have, or your body can have good bacteria and bad bacteria, okay? So in order to kill those bad bacteria, no, this curd and buttermilk all will help in killing the bad bacteria, okay? That's why it's also always recommended that you consume, okay? And says especially even the women and girl childs, okay? Because they frequently have this it could be that periods, or it could be due, or they give birth to, the women normally they give birth to child, right? And during that process they lose certain things in their body, okay? And their bones and things become weak, okay? So it is always recommended that they consume at least 1 glass of milk every. And as you grow old, okay, when we grow old, even our bones starts deteriorating, okay? So in order to strengthen that, okay, it is always recommended. So in earlier days, that's why if you see, they used to consume a lot of milk and milk products, okay? Even the paneer that you get, right, which is a byproduct of the milk, okay? Even that is very good substitute for protein, okay? Very good substitute for protein when you eat, okay? You will never fall short of protein deficiency if you consume that, okay? So by liberal use of cow's milk product, people's brain were so sharp that until 5,000 years, there was no need for any written records, okay? By oral translation, okay? One person oral knowledge, you transfer the knowledge orally to the other person, okay? So that's how the tradition used to go on from the guru to his shishyas, and from his shishya to the shishya one day will become the guru, and then he will pass on the knowledge to his disciples, like that. So all knowledge existed, that guru parampara, okay, the tradition used to follow. All the knowledge existed in oral tradition, and a student would simply memorize, understand everything just by hearing once from the teacher. Yeah, who will read now?
Pavrish Mataji.
Okay, read.
Then Shweta.
Mm.
The generous cow gives milk from which come cream, yogurt, and cheese. Butter, yogurt and cheese, butter and ice cream, ghee and buttermilk. Everything that a cow produces, including urine and stew, and every inch of her body are meant for absolute good of the world. Cow dung and urine, supremely valuable products. Cow dung is accepted to have purifying and antiseptic
Antiseptic properties.
antiseptic properties. It is used as a fertilizer, fuel in the tile making, housing, religious rituals, medicines, and as a cleaning agent. Cow urine is capable of curing several diseases, even ones considered incurable. Vedas declare that Gomaya Vasati Lakshmi,
Vasati Lakshmi.
Gomaye Vasati Lakshmi, goddess of fortune, resides in cow dung. Indeed, a time when cows.
Sorry.
Indeed, a time.
Mm.
Indeed, a time when cows.
When the cows
When the cows outnumbered.
What does that mean?
Outnumbered people, India used to be the richest nation in the world. Cow and bull, world's father and mother. Cow is the provider for all human necessities. Cow is a mobile dispensary. We should learn about medicines prepared from cow products known as Panchagavya. 5,000 years ago, Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, appeared on the earth to protect his devotees, to demonstrate his pastimes. Among those pastimes was his childhood role as a cowherd boy. The cowherd were very dear to him because of his affectionate and gentle nature, as well as their contributions to human society. And in return, he was kind to them and protect them. We should follow his example. Honor thy father and thy mother. Love and respect your father and mother.
Yeah. Shweta, would you like to read? Yeah.
Mother Earth. Mother Earth provides us everything in our lives. Our bodies, foods, homes, books, and even our computers are all ultimately coming from the earth. Even though she is harassed and plundered by so many people, she continues to serve. Greedy people are drilling the earth for oil, cutting lush green forests to grow tobacco crops for production of alcohol and fodder for cattle exclusively, raised for slaughter, soaking the land with the blood of innocent animals and military soldiers, and polluting the air and water with toxic waste from factories. All those subjected to untold abuse and harassment. Mother Earth continues to provide all necessities for all living beings. From Mother Earth, we learn that we must tolerate hardships in our life and continue serving in all circumstances.
Yeah. So that's the lesson that we learn from the Mother Earth. Okay, though whatever we do, the Mother Earth never lets us down or always we see, we are the one who keep abusing the earth, okay, because we build a lot of see, we destroy plants, we destroy trees, we in cities, if you see, it's become only a jungle of buildings, right? And we have not been able to retain, okay, the greenery around us, okay. That's why you can see the global warming happening around, okay. So you are now, if you see everywhere, you're facing so much of humidity, so much of temperature, all this because we have destroyed the trees around us, because we want to build more number of buildings, but we are destroying the trees, but we are helpless, or we are not planting more number of trees around, okay. Yes, next who will read?
Mataji, I think so. She,
Yeah, read.
Abhinav Mataji.
Yeah, read.
Hello, Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
A little brown seed sown in brown soil, watered by rain, produces a beautiful, very smooth, soft, and fragrant lotus flower. No one can make anything like this, no matter how hard it tries. This is one of the many miracles that Mother Nature unfolds every day.
Yeah.
We see different types of flowers, fruits, leaves, vegetables, colors, scents, and flavors in our gardens. From where are they coming? It is coming from the earth, which is working under the direction of the Supreme Lord. The earth can manifest all these colors, flavors to produce wide variety of fruits and flowers, but independently we cannot.
Yeah. Okay. So all this we see, but if the advantage of maintaining the greenery around us is we will be able to get good rains, and we will be able to harvest things in a better way. Okay. The colorful, all this around us is happening because of the Supreme Lord. Yeah. Now answer this. Tick the appropriate way of expressing love and respect to your parents. Never listen to them, help them, buy your parents gift, shout at them, smile at them. Yes, Mrinal, can you say the right answer?
Help them,
Mm.
buy your parents gifts,
Mm.
smile at them.
Yeah, very good. Okay, next one.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. Be thankful to them for whatever they do, ignore them, study nicely for their pleasure, offer prayers to God, thanking Him for everything He has given you through the medium of your parents. Among these,
We should be thankful to them whatever they do for us, and study nicely for their pleasure.
yeah,
Offer prayers to God, thanking Him everything He has given you through the medium of your parents.
yeah, very good. Yeah,
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Hare Krishna, very nice. So here another activity. Below is a list of 16 different items or activity. Categorize them as either hurtful or helpful to Mother Earth in the corresponding boxes on the following page. Okay. So you understood the question, right? So you observe this activity in the picture, and you have to tell whether it is helpful to the Mother Earth or whether it is going to cause any harm to the environment around us. Okay, first is polluting industries. The first row. The first row, you have polluting industries, slaughterhouses, cow protection, and plastic.
I want to answer.
Yeah.
So slaughterhouse is hurtful and cow protection is helpful.
Yeah. So which all are causing harm?
Harm is polluting industries
Mm.
and quarreling. meat eating,
Uh,
intoxication, dustbin, river pollution, polluting vehicles and switching off,
mm,
and plastic bags,
mm,
and cow protection, which I said is
mm,
helpful.
mm,
Reusable bag is helpful.
mm,
Pesticides is harmful. Candy God is already helpful for us.
mm,
Planting is helpful.
mm.
Devotion God is helpful.
Yeah. So quarreling is again harmful. Devotion to God, definitely yes, because when you you thank Him and you pray, He will in turn forgive us. He will forgive us, and He will also shower us with His love. Okay. Then the next is okay.
All who read and
Match.
answered can lower their hands, Mataji, because some of them are not being unmuted, Mataji, for reading.
Okay, okay.
As read can lower their hands.
Okay, match the
Yeah,
following.
Aratrika.
You can give this to five, six people, six of them. Six are there. So each one can take. Cow urine.
Yes.
Okay, first one, Aratrika.
Okay. Urine cures several diseases.
Yeah, very good. Cure several diseases. Cow dung.
Cow dung, Srijan.
Ma'am, Panchagavya.
Mataji, it is Panchagavya.
Panchagavya, yes.
Yeah,
Correct.
next.
Bull.
Bull.
Srijan.
Ma'am, bull. Sir. Ma'am, bull.
Mataji said, Srijan Mataji said 1-1 chance. So you have the second one. Third one, Disha. Disha, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Bull is
Match the following. Match it. Bull, you can match with what? Is it sharp brain or Panchagavya?
Yeah, I am.
Father, goddess of fortune, or cure several disease? Bull
I think it's father.
Father. Very good. Good. How did you take a chance, or you are confident?
What?
How did you say it is the father?
It is because then cow is the mother of all of us, and
Okay.
bull is the father.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Anvita.
Yeah, medicines from cow product is what, Anvita?
Mataji is cow, right? Cow.
Actually,
Yes, Mataji.
give the answer for both bull and cow together, no? So I
Yes.
went to the fifth one.
Yes. Medicines from cow product. Can you just make it a little sharp?
Mataji, you have to just scroll it.
Brain. Cow's milk. Cow's milk will sharp the brain. Medicine from cow product can be cure several diseases. Oh, goddess of fortune. Panchagavya. Panchagavya is this one, no? It's a mixture of urine, dung, and other 3 items. Where did we do that? Okay. Now the next one is what is this? Always be grateful to mother cow while eating ice cream and curd, milky parts. What is this question? Pick out some practical ways to connect yourself with mother cow. Tick the one you feel inspired for. Daily drinking cow's milk. Are you inspired?
Smita, can you answer that? Yes, Smita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You can answer
Yes,
that.
yes, yes. Okay.
Yes,
Next,
Mataji.
always being grateful to mother cow while eating ice cream, curd, and milk bar. Do you agree with this or no?
Yes, Mataji.
You will be grateful whenever you're eating ice cream, curd, and milky bar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Never eating beef. That's cow's flesh.
Yes, Mataji, I agree with it.
Okay, very good. Next.
Himansini?
Knowing more about mother cow by reading related books. Will you be
Yes,
interested
Mataji.
in, will you be interested in knowing about cow by reading more number of books?
Yes, Mataji.
Sharing, next one. Sharing this wonderful knowledge with others. Would you share, so whatever you learned today, would you share this knowledge with others?
Ananya, would you like to answer it? Ananya?
Ananya is not there. Basu.
Ananya Gautam?
Yeah.
She just now raised hand, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji, can you tell them all that they should all get chance, Mataji, who already answered and who already read or
Yes, yes.
raising
They
their
should,
hand?
who already finished, we should accommodate everybody in the class, okay? So we should give
Yeah,
chance.
Ananya.
Everybody at least should get one chance in a class. Okay? Yes. So, yes. Okay. So, will you complete this activity in the class at home? The next. So
Mataji, I don't have book, Mataji.
you don't have book, huh? Okay. Why you don't have? Did you order and you have not got it, or what is it?
Ordered, Mataji.
Ordered already, it's not reached you, huh?
Yeah, Ananya.
Okay.
Hey, Krishna,
And
Mataji,
quickly,
do I answer?
let's quickly complete then. Knowing more about, okay, no, sharing this
What
wonderful
is the
knowledge,
question?
finding a Goshala nearest to your home and visiting it. Would you be interested in finding a Goshala near your house and visit? Say yes. or no.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
But Mataji, there already is.
Okay, there is already, you have already visited also.
Yes, Mataji.
What did you see there? Can you share your experience?
Mataji, there were a lot of cows and there was a small calf and some people were feeding it bananas.
Okay.
Even I fed it a banana.
Good. So using cow product like toothpaste, oil, incenses and tablets and soap, would you be interested in doing that?
Spooty, can you answer that?
Mataji?
Yeah.
This one.
Can you see both this question using cow product like toothpaste, oil, incenses, tablets and soap? Would you be interested?
Mataji, I don't think that's a cow product.
Not a cow product. Is it okay for you or not? Do you do those? Do you use the products like that? Some of these.
Uh,
Toothpaste, oils.
Okay, answer the second, next one. Daily setting aside a chapati that gets cooked at home for the mother cow and also collecting the peels of fruits and vegetables and feed them to the mother cow.
yes,
Correct.
Mataji.
Do that? Okay. Always remember.
Mataji, can I answer the using cow products?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I use them, Mataji. I use them. And also the daily setting.
Okay.
All the vegetable peels, fruits, peels, some fruits, grass.
Yes. So always remember, happy cow denotes a happy human society and distressed condition of the cow denote humanity in distress. Okay, so if you see, sometimes if you see in the city areas, right, you see the cow, not getting the grass, enough grass, or they're not able to feed on enough things, no? Sometimes they have eaten a lot of these garbage like plastics and all, and it has literally caused so much of their internal digestive tract injury, you know. Sometimes we have heard of those, seen those cases also. Okay, so always, so we should see that we don't cause enough, or at least wherever possible, at least we don't get involved in destroying the surrounding around us. Okay, so always remember, happy cows denote a happy human society, and the distress condition of the cow denote a humanity in distress. And saving some money, even if 1 rupee on a daily basis for the Go Seva, will you do that?
Prerana?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
The last one.
The last
Saving
one.
some money, even rupee, on a daily basis of
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
Seva.
I agree with this.
Okay, good.
Lower your hand, Prerana.
Yes. So again, do you agree with these statements? State yes or no. I have a right to pollute the environment because she is my father's property. Srijan?
Would you like to answer it or any doubt?
Mataji, the first one, I have a right to pollute the earth because she's my father's property. It's no. And that last one, which was there, we should use that cow products like toothpaste oil. Ma'am, that is wrong actually. Because we are killing the cow to get toothpaste oil and all that.
Yeah, it is wrong. I only said that I use those products, but I don't like killing cows. I even hate the people. Srijan, any doubt? You're continuously raising hands.
Okay. The second one, we need to be concerned about plants, animals as much as we are concerned about ourselves. They are also innocent children of the God. Who will answer this? Anvita has raised her hand. Who would like to answer?
Sonit Mataji, I have unmuted him. Maybe
Okay,
he
answer.
muted. Sonit? Try to unmute, Sonit. Are you there? Okay. Yeah, he unmuted.
Yes.
We need to be concerned.
Yes. I'm doing this.
Can you repeat it, Sonit?
Yes. The second one is correct.
Okay. The second one is correct. Okay. Who would like to answer the third one? Basu, would you like to answer the third one? Unmute. Unmute.
Is not able to do it. Huh?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah, am I audible now?
Yeah.
Third one.
Sorry, Mataji, I was not able to.
Okay, no problem.
Mataji, what I asked?
Third one is true or
Mataji,
false?
C.
Yeah.
C, yeah. Deforestation.
Mataji, it is.
Is it?
Mataji, it is false.
Yes,
Deforestation is not good.
It creates, deforestation is good. It creates more living space for us. Do you agree or you disagree with that statement? Is it good? Deforestation good
Mataji,
for
it is
us?
not good, but
Yeah,
Mataji, it is not good.
yeah. So then,
Yeah, Mataji, can I add more points for why is deforestation good, not good?
yeah, you can add.
Yeah, because deforestation causes floods and all that overgrazing,
Hmm.
all that stuff causes flood. Overgrazing doesn't causes flood as the cows all them eat, and there will be small cracks,
Yes. See, there
and
first of all, we will by
deforestation causes
deforestation, we
floods, and
will lose the green environment around us. Okay, and
yeah, we
also
don't even get our food.
lessening the space for the living. See, where in forest, the animals it's are considered to be the home for these animals, right? And so we are
Mataji, nowadays animals are living here and there. They are living
yeah,
on
so
flyovers because of
we are reducing space
cutting
for
down.
them also. Okay, by by doing deforestation, we are not allowing because see, God has created this earth for all humans, plants, animals, for everybody. But because of our selfish nature, we try to occupy even the space which is uh, safe for them. Okay. Also, we are trying to encroach those things also. So that is why it is not.
Mataji, I heard a story in my EVS book, Mataji,
Hmm.
in my science book. So it showed that in olden days they promised the trees, the
Hmm.
magical trees. This
Hmm.
is just so they would talk. They could talk.
Hmm.
They did
Hmm.
friendship. They had a nice bond with the humans. The
Ah,
humans promised that if they cut one tree,
ah,
they'll plant five more other trees like
ah,
that.
yeah.
But nowadays, but like this, they but someday they forgot the promise and they broke the promise by
Yes.
cutting all the trees and they didn't plant trees.
Yeah, that's what they will not
Magical
see.
trees stopped talking to
Initially,
them.
they will say that we will replace or we'll create a space, but it may not happen. Okay, they may encroach the place and then they may not substitute with the good. So we are making lesser space or even for our future generation. Okay, we're causing harm for them also. Okay, and it is yeah. So it is better to use renewable sources of energy. Is it better to use the renewable source of energy?
Mataji, can I answer this, Mataji?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Mataji. It is better to use. It is true.
Can you name any renewable sources of energy? Anybody who knows?
Anvita, do you know? Anvita?
Yes, Mataji. We should use renewable sources of energy because it is like not
Tell the
wasting.
example, Anvita. Tell the example.
Animal. The
Example,
example.
like renewable sources of energy.
All of you have seen the solar plants.
Solar
Mataji.
panels. Yes.
Ah, okay. So
Uh,
and then
Abhinav, would you like to give another example of renewable source?
Hello, Mataji. Water and air are renewable energies.
Yeah, water and air.
Water and air, wind also, right? Wind also you use, no? You use the wind
Yes,
energy for
Mataji.
generation of heat and electricity, right? Have you seen the plants? Okay, okay. So all that. So it is always better to use the renewable source of energy. Then it is responsibility of the government to be concerned about the wasted material, and it is not my personal responsibility. Do you agree? Can the government alone do everything?
Mataji.
No, right? So when only the
Yeah,
citizens, all
you can
citizens,
answer.
yeah, all citizens should join hands with the government. Then only even the government can do something. All of us also, we should also feel at home, okay, and start working towards a better place around us. Okay, then only even the government. So you can see now nowadays a lot of volunteers. Okay, they have picked up these social services Okay, on their own, they start renovating the lake around them, renovating the roads, all that. Okay, many people nowadays that awareness is increasing. Okay, at least that small step people are taking now. Okay, so
Yeah, Rihanna, would you like to answer it?
yes, anybody else would, or you have come across any such instances around your area, near your place, or at least in your schools, there might be
Raise your hands.
some activities which they might have made you do no at schools, at least for the senior students. Okay, may not be at your level.
Yes, Mataji, I'm studying in Daksha school, so my principal and all the students in our class and all the whole the school loves planting trees, Mataji. So when I was studying first class, we took plastic
Hmm.
glasses and we just added some soil and some sprouts.
Yeah. And also there is this Swachh Bharat initiatives, right? Around, so many school children are participating in that. The Swachh Bharat
Yes, Mataji, when I
Abhiyan, the
was
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is going on. So many schools, colleges, students, everybody are participating in that.
I also remember another one, Mataji, that when I was in UKG or maybe LKG, we went save trees. Save trees.
Yeah,
So we went
seriously.
across it.
Yes.
We just tied over here a band like this.
Yeah.
Save trees.
Yes.
Mataji, in my school, it is like every year there is this one function which is like save trees, and we have to bring some sprouts and cups, and then we have to wait for a week for them to grow, and then we plant them in our this
Yeah,
ground.
very
That
good.
is known as Vanamahotsav, Mataji. Vanamahotsav.
Vana Mahotsav. Very
World
nice.
Earth Day, World Environment Day.
Yeah.
All these are for plants, animals.
Yes, good. And also you can see many of the roads on the walls and all. They're like they're started this painting initiatives, right? They paint the volunteers or the the art students or even the cool college students. They voluntarily paint on the to build awareness of certain things. Okay, even during the pandemic time,
Yes, Mataji, while on the road, on the highway or somewhere, they do Varli arts, Mataji, on
yes,
a red color.
correct.
Magenta red.
Yeah, then they
They-
promote certain things
House
they want to promote. It could be based off for the environment or some protection of human rights or anything. Okay, so that they are passing that message through those artwork also. Even that is also a very good initiative. Okay, so
Mataji, can I also tell one more thing, Mataji?
yes.
It is saving and planting natural resources is
Hmm.
one of our fundamental duty, Mataji.
Yes.
Saving our natural resources.
Our
It's a fundamental duty.
we should not wait only for the government to start. Okay, when we start when we start respecting the mother earth, so it's a one way that you are respecting the environment in which you are living. Okay.
We also grow many plants, trees, Mataji. Over here, it is crowded with all the trees, plants. On every each step, we have a pot of a plant.
Yes.
Even a dog sleeps with us, Mataji, because of the plants.
Okay.
It likes plants.
Yeah. Yes. So yes, all of you recite with me once. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes, all of you together.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
I forgot to unmute, Mataji. You can unmute.
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay.
Attendance, please.
Attendance link. 1 second, I'm sending it.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, when I have done the attendance.
Mataji, I have marked my attendance, Bhargav.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is showing that your attendance is recorded. Now what should I do next?
You have to
Your
leave it.
attendance is recorded means it is marked. That's all. Correct.
It is marked.
That's
You don't need to again do it.
No,
If
no,
you
no
want
need
to
to.
submit another
No need to
response,
submit. That means
Can-
it is record. It is submitted. It means it is submitted.
if you have any
Your choice
siblings,
if you want to submit another response.
Yeah.
you want to submit another response, if you have some siblings, you can submit another response from the same device.
Yeah.
You're not sure you have submitted or what.
Okay. Yeah. So shall we meet next time? Or do you have anybody
Mataji.
has any
Next
doubts?
class,
Ask. Otherwise, we'll end the class.
Excuse me, Mataji,
Hare
I have a
Krishna,
doubt,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes. Yes.
Next
What
class,
doubt?
do we have exam, Mataji?
Next class exam. Huh? No, no,
We
no.
have exam.
Last week only you finished, no? Your exam?
Yes, Mataji, we
I
have
thought
finished our
many
exam.
2 exams were there.
No, 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 no. No.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes. Bye.